Is your siding starting to show signs of wear and tear? Then it might be time for siding replacement on your Apex home. And if you need new siding for your house, quality installation is key. Window Depot of Raleigh is the siding expert in the Raleigh area. We produce gorgeous and long-lasting vinyl siding that lasts for years, guaranteeing all the benefits the best siding provides. Our high-quality installation is why so many homeowners choose us for their siding needs. But why is installation so crucial for your siding replacement? Weather and pests threaten the health and safety of your home, damaging structures and spreading illnesses. The best siding installation keeps these intruders outside. Quality siding installation requires preparation, precise measuring and cutting, proper nailing and sealing to keep moisture away and the pests away. Paying attention to details ensures you get beautiful, long-lasting results for your home. Now that you know the importance of quality siding installation, how do you find the best installers? To find the top installers for your siding, look at their online reviews, experience, and make sure they understand your vision. At Window Depot of Raleigh, we care about the look and protection of your siding. We use the best materials and state-of-the-art techniques for the best results. With our help, your siding will have value, beauty, and last for decades to come. If you need the best installers for your siding replacement, look no further than Window Depot of Raleigh. Call us today to get started.